Hey everyone, it's Kayla with the Celebration Company, and I've got something fun for you today. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to check me out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for a lot of other fun ideas just like this. All right, these adorable little tags are available on our website, thecelebrationco.com. I'll be sure to post a link in the description of this video for you to grab your own. And we're going to do the Santa and the tree today. So I'm just going to start by Mod Podging the background with a piece of scrapbook paper. I wanted a little bit of pattern on that background. So I'm going to be using this pink and red scrapbook paper that I have here. This is available or was a part of a set that we had on our website. I'm not sure if it's available anymore or not, but if it is, I'll be sure to post that link. So I then just took a little bit of slit with my knife and then used my paper files to remove the excess in the middle of that ornament. And these files are also available on our website as well. So just remove and clean all that up. Now we're going to get started on our little Santa that's just kind of peeking out over the side, which is so super cute. So I'm just going to use some white paint to go ahead and paint his beard. I kept things pretty simple with this. So you do have to be careful on the face, around the face, and make sure you don't get the white paint on the face. I then took like a skin color and painted the face, and now I'm making a little light pink for our nose, and then we're just going to come in with some black paint, and I'm going to use the end of my brush to just make some little dots for the eyes. And you also need to paint the little poof ball on the hat. So I'm going to do that and paint that white as well. And that portion of our Santa is done. You don't have to paint the hat because there is another piece that you're going to be putting on to the Santa, so you don't have to worry about painting the hat. So this is the hat right here. So that is the brim. So we're going to paint that white, and then we're going to paint the rest of it red. It would also be super fun to use an actual real pom-pom and apply a real pom-pom to the pom-pom portion of the hat. Now you also have this little round piece that goes around the whole of the tag. So we're just going to paint that red, as well as the little ho-ho sign. I recommend painting this with a pouncer, but I am out of pouncers, so I was just very careful with my brush to try and not get it into those crevices. If you do get it in the crevices, use a paper file and you can remove some of the paint that's in the inside there. All right, so we have all our pieces ready. We're just going to dry everything and go ahead and put everything together. I'm just using hot glue to put all these things together, but I will be honest with you, Gorilla Glue does a better job, but I am out. So I chose to just stick with my hot glue today. So you'll do the base piece, which is the Santa first. And then we're going to add the Santa hat on. So I'm just going to take the little red piece. Oh, I forgot. I did decide to add a little bit of fun texture onto the brim. So this is just some fake snow. I used a little bit of Mod Podge and just kind of piled it onto the brim of the hat. And I also decided to do that to the little pom-pom of the hat as well. I just kind of piled that fake snow on. Okay, so now we'll just start layering our pieces. We're going to put the red hat on, and then, and you can see everything just kind of lines up. Then we're going to do our little hat brim, put that on. It is all so super cute. The mustache, you'll put that on, and then we're just going to add that little ring. And our ho-ho, which kind of hangs off just a little bit. And I kind of like it that way, but you could do it however you want to. All right, so you're done basically with this, and we're going to go ahead and put a ribbon on. I'm just using a plaid or a gingham red ribbon. I use this ribbon so much throughout the year, and it's an amazing price on Amazon. This is a 25 or 50 yard roll. I don't remember which one. Look how cute that is. All right, let's get started on our tree. So I love gingerbread stuff, so we're going to do a gingerbread tree. I am going to Mod Podge just the same as I did the first one. We're going to Mod Podge a piece of scrapbook paper on the background. Now you could even have fun and Mod Podge your paper onto all the little pieces that you have as well. It's really helpful to use the paper files to help you get those really nice and clean looking. So I'll just use my knife to remove the excess on this one, and we'll do the same thing for the hole. I just find the middle and use my paper file to remove any excess paper out of that little hole. All right, so to do our gingerbread trees, I'm going to paint our tree pieces in a gingerbread color. This is a mixture of colors that I am using here. Milk chocolate, white, and then the other color is called honey brown. So I just kind of mixed the three together to get a good gingerbread color. And so we'll paint those two pieces of trees. You can paint the star, but you don't have to worry about painting it white or anything like that, because you do have another piece that's going to go right on top. So I'm going to paint it white. We're going to add some glitter to it here in a minute. All right, and we're going to do our little circle there in red, and then I'm also going to paint the bright in red as well. And that's going to be kind of my pop of red on this particular little tag. These tags are great to use as ornaments, but they would also be super cute to use as actual gift tags. You could hang these on your stockings. That would be adorable. Whatever works for you. So I'm adding some Mod Podge there, and now we're just going to use our glitter. This is the chunky crystal glitter from Hobby Lobby. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece onto my tree, and now we're just going to decorate it up a little bit. So this is a gingerbread tree after all, so we're going to do a little bit of icing, little scallops here for our tree. So I'm just going through and just making some cute little scallops onto our Christmas tree. So just take your time with this. I did kind of one little scallop at a time, just kind of going back and forth. Now, when you're done with your scallops, I'm going to take the back of my brush and we're just going to make some little dots for our ornaments on our tree. I kept it pretty simple there. And now I'm going to glue my white sparkly star back on. And our Christmas tree is done. What a cute little gingerbread tree. All right, so let's go ahead and glue this onto our tag, and we'll just glue the rest of the pieces on the little circle and then the little bright tag as well. And then we're just gonna take our gingham ribbon again and make a hanger for our little tag. So you just fold it through and then just tie it together up at the top. Cut off your excess and you are done. Now we have these available in a couple of other styles. We also have a snowman and we also have a reindeer. So they're all so cute. I think I'm gonna have to do the snowman and the reindeer as well. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.